Let it be told to the ambassador that at no particular point in time have we said that Ken Ofori Atta was picked up by ICE from a medical facility or on a hospital bed. All this business of his medically fit, it's neither here nor there. It's really unnecessary at this point to be bandying these words about. He has gone for surgery, which we all know. All we are saying is that he is recuperating and that he's in consultation with his medical team. And they will have to give him the all clear to come. I'm wondering why it is becoming increasingly difficult for us to understand this simple fact of life. Whoever said that Ken Ofori Atta was on ICU help before he was picked up by ICE? He was picked up in his home or wherever they picked him up. I mean, so what is new?
But
that he's medically fit. Well, don't you know that he's medically fit?
Well, so the assertion previously held is that he cannot come until, you just said, his doctors gave him the all clear. ICE is also saying that he's medically fit for detention. In this situation, he can equally come back home, can't he? Can he not?
Well, that is your logic. It is not mine. Your logic is totally different from mine. If ICE are saying that he's medically fit for detention, that is different from traveling to Ghana to come and answer to charges here. It's different. And I'll reiterate, no one has said that Ken is not fit. All we are saying is that he is going through a recuperative process. And his doctors are advising him. It's as simple as that.
Right. Well, what does the FBI's involvement now mean, and how does it change the scope of the legal proceedings?
I am not about to speak to FBI. All I know is ICE. And those who think that the FBI can have any influence on what ICE is doing do not exactly know what they are saying. All right? The ICE proceedings is totally different from whatever FBI is investigating. I don't know what FBI is investigating. I have no information of that. My client has not told me anything about that, and I'm not able to speak to it. But I ask myself, what Ambassador Smith, with the greatest of respect, came to do yesterday night on radio. Is it not a failed mockery of international diplomacy? So all along, they have been monitoring ICE and FBI, leading to Ken's arrest. And this same person, Ambassador Smith, wanted to extend consular assistance and services to Ken, and then he comes boldly on radio to say that they have been collaborating and feeding information to ICE and FBI to arrest Ken and put him in custody. Oh, okay. Okay. If that is what is going on, Ghanaians are the better judges. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Sedinam Tamaklo Ationu has been convicted by a court of competent jurisdiction, a criminal court of competent jurisdiction, of corruption and corruptible tendencies. She has been convicted and is now a jailbird. She's a criminal fugitive in the United States. I think our government, on the threshold of what they promised Ghanaians, should be able to bring Ationu back to Ghana, and then they can deal with Ken Ofori Atta. Now, Sedinam Ationu, she has blood running through her veins. Ken Ofori Atta has palm kernel oil, adrengo, in his veins. So he is now more important than Sedinam Ationu, who has been convicted. This is the justice we are preaching in Ghana. This double standards and hypocrisy and intellectual dishonesty will not aid Ghana. Let us all be fair to the issues. If we are preaching justice, let us preach justice. If we are preaching rule of law, let's preach. If we are preaching due process, let us preach it. Not this selectivity. Please.
Right.
In terms of sentiment, okay, so we'll analyze from two perspectives. You are looking at what happens in the courtroom, and then you're also looking at public perception, so the court of public opinion. Obviously, Ken has brought this upon himself. right? By absconding, what he's done is that he's opened himself. Yes, so he's opened himself to so much opprobrium. People would, throw all manner of abuses, etc. at him. Because once he was finance minister, he ensured that the current governor of the Bank of Ghana, Isiama, Raymond Amanfo, etc., were prosecuted over the banking sector debacle. Yes, Ofori Atta. Ofori Atta, I'm saying, yes, it's him. It's him. Everything shows. It's him. Even there is a tape.
Even the Ato Forson prosecution.
Yes.
Those of us who were close to the case believe that he was a mastermind.
Not just believe.
Because of Ato Forson's advocacy.
Yes.
So they have masterminds.
Oh, okay. Listen. Mr. Fosu, you've forgotten that Godfrey Dami admitted it on the tape. He said Ofori Atta and Akufo Addo were on his neck to make sure that Ato Forson is prosecuted and convicted so that there will be a rerun. So that is what Ken... Exactly. So he brought... He who lives by the sword would die by the sword. He caused this. He caused this.
Confessed, and we had evidence to that effect. He should have been removed from office.
Yes. But the tape was played here.
No.
The tape was played in court.
I am not saying that it was right, but upon such information, if it had reached the president, you should have removed him.
By national security fees, the president. Yes, that's what we're saying. But the president was very happy with Godfrey Dami. Godfrey Dami is his beloved, this is son. That is what this Akufo Addo likes. Also, okay, say Tiwa, Yechiro Kakrebi. Akufo Addo likes violence. He says Tiwa. He said it. He said Tiwa violence. Yechiro Kakrebi.
Let's not digress.
Has he ever apologized for it?
You were making the point before.
He said Tiwa violence. Yechiro Kakrebi. It's all Akufo Addo who said it. You can Google it. When the violence, the by-election, I
don't want you to digress. You were making the point.
Yes, and so Apia Kubi's point is that if Akufo Addo had heard about the tape was admitted in evidence in court, where Godfrey Dami said Akufo Addo and Ofori Atta were on his neck to ensure that Ato Forson would be prosecuted and convicted so that there would be a by-election. And you know, that's a parliament that had the 138, and then Siama, the Kwabena MP, had to work with the MPP. Then they got a very small minuscule majority, right? So if there had been that by-election, then they would do a lot of machinations to get that seat too, right? So that is the record that Ofori Atta has built for himself. So because he knows he's done a lot of wrong, that is why he's afraid. That's why. Look at the banking licenses. Apart from, look at the untold hardships. Look at how he ran down state insurance, SIC. A lot of the businesses from SIC were hived off and given to his insurance company, Enterprise. Enterprise Insurance, state insurance, they were crying. They would see you and say, cancel. Munkebi Maye. All the businesses were now being diverted from state insurance to Enterprise. We borrow, then Ofori Atta's company makes money. The bonds. Ghana borrows, then Ofori Atta's company makes money. So that's Akufo Addo and his family becoming rich. That is the legacy he left behind. Please, I'm saying it. Okay. Look, MSRP could be when you have your time, say yours. You can't gaggle me. Every time be careful. I would never. Just know that you and I are different.
Okay, hold on.
Stop. Every time you want to moderate.
Hold on.
No, I'm not. No, I just want you to know that he can never change me.
Make your point.
No, he's not coming. I just want you to know that he can never change me. You are called Apia Kubi. I'm called Pebu. The two names are the same.
Hold on.
Yes, but not when I'm making my point. No, there's nothing. Yes, so I'm saying Ghana borrows, then Data Bank make their cuts. Ghana borrows, then Data Bank makes their cut, the bonds. So there was an incentive to keep borrowing, no matter how the money was used. Yeah? And then in no time, we became debt-ridden. So these are the things that are driving his fears. He knows the mess he created. Look at the bonds, the haircuts. Look at the pensioners who died. Look at Kama, Dr. Agyapong. Agyapong was crying, Kama Health, etc. Look at the people who died. So he is scared because of his own negative legacy, not what anybody will do. That Keke Kabobo song, maybe we should play it or the boy anybody tina. Aha, you know it, right? Nobody do. Running away, nobody do. So he knows what is done. He knows what is done. That's why he's running away. Please don't put this on any other person. Look, we live in Ghana. Some months ago, when the state took Abronye, very vituperous in his utterances, he would insult everybody. Yet, when the law, the way they treated him was against law, I stood up. Domlevo also stood up. Look at Domlevo. Very good. So that is it. That's our society. And yes. So why is Ofori Atta's fear? Let's start this in. A year ago, when Ofori Atta left, at that time, I didn't know he was deceiving us, and I didn't know Kisi Agyapong saw him leave. If you play back the tape, I was against the OSP for what they were doing, because I said, the man informed the state agencies that he's going for medical checkup. What's your business with this? Check. Let's play back. You see how I defended Ofori Atta. So I think if today Ofori Atta comes back and the state keeps him beyond 48 hours, I'll not talk for Ofori Atta. I'll do that. I stood up for Abronye. Meanwhile, we all know how Abronye, people were calling me on that side. Abronye is insulting IGP. He's insulted President Mahama. All that. And you see, Kwachi Fusuvi minister, you see, he didn't even, he risked his position because the party who also said...
I publicly disagreed with the judge and demanded his immediate release.
Exactly. Yes, I think we're here.
We rein in excesses by security agents.
Thank you. So our society is changed. So me, talking today, if Ofori Atta were to come today and were to keep him, even we don't have to wait for a 48 hours to elapse. So in the Pebu number 4, verse Attorney General number 4, so for Ekufu's valedictory judgment, what she said and what the Supreme Court unanimously, that the moment it becomes clear to you that you don't want to admit the person to bail within the 48 hours, start going to the court. Don't wait. The law is not that wait for 48 hours to expire. So if Ofori Atta, this is the promise, the pledge I'm making. Ofori Atta comes, look, from the first hour, and this is how it shows you how our democracy is growing. We would be here, Facebook, TV3, monitoring. Yes, OSP, are you admitting him to bail? If you are not, what steps are you taking? Are we going to court? We will make sure that Ofori Atta would enter court before the 48 hours if they will not admit him to bail. Ghana is changed. I mean, how? I can't come and sit here and say because of the things he's done, they should keep him. No. So this is fears. They are unfounded if they are based on what others will do. Rather, I think it is the negative legacy he has built, the way he's enriched his family at the expense of the state. That is what is haunting him. That is what is haunting him. He now knows that Ato Forson occupies his seat. The Ato Forson, he's on tape to have told Godfrey Dami said on tape that he, Ofori Atta, was saying that he should pursue Ato Forson by hook or by crook, etc. That is what is haunting him. The bonds, the Ken bonds, Franklin Templeton, the Ghana boroughs, then the Akufo Addo's family makes money. That is what is killing him, not Ghanaians. We would not do anything like that. So he should come and face the music. And then let's repeat this story. You know the part about he refusing to see Ambassador Smith. I mentioned it last week briefly. Let's go over it. You know there's this joke. When Reagan was shot in 1981, Reagan, that's ex-president of the United States, whilst they were taking him to do surgery, on their way to the theater, he stopped and then he asked the doctors that, hey, I hope you are all Republicans. The lead doctor was a known Democrat, very popular, Joseph Giordani. I mean, forgive my accent. I don't. It sounds like Italian or that. So the man was an obvious, a very popular surgeon. He said, Mr. President, today we are all Republicans, but he was a Democrat. So my point is that Ambassador Smith, the fact that Ofori Atta doesn't want to see you is because you're of different political persuasions. So he's scared that if his data gets you, not that you leak it, but he's just scared that something will go wrong. So Ofori Atta is not the first to attempt to refuse help from a political opponent.
But then it depends on the kind of help. Mr. Smith, is it not? I mean, it's protocol that you were following. And
yes, it was a protocol, but at the same time, whilst you're with him, he may express something he would wish would be done for him, whichever way. I was going to go and listen to him and then maybe share it with the government.
Yeah.
I wasn't going to discuss the merits of his case at all. It was his person and his well-being.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, I get it. I understand. We all know. But generally, sometimes it gets to certain situations, right? Kofi and the rest, and Kwaku Fosu is in PR, he will tell you he's the president's spokesperson. There are certain times, even some questions, the comment, when they ask you a question and you don't want to say anything, if you say no comment, even no comment itself can lead. Exactly. So sometimes when they pose the question, depending on how sensitive it is, you just walk away. You won't say no comment. So Ambassador Smith, his fears are well founded. I mean, he's human. You can't take his fears away from him, right? That's just to put that in perspective, so that those say no, he should have allowed Ambassador Smith to come. No. That is how he feels. Right. Exactly. Okay. Let's leave that one at that.
Thank you.
Okay.
America a lawyer for the. You see, and Chebia, let me tell you, and Chebia and Agyapong any Gofredamia Semai.
That's right. Very well.
What was the case? Say. No more yet negotiations behind the scenes. Yes, sir.
Very well.
And that Kwaku record there. And what did you try to know? What business do you have? The lawyer and say, oh, man, assurance say, Ken Ofori Atta will get a fair trial. And as Attorney General representing the country Ghana, the leader of the bar. You could not defend your nation and say only draws as some now workano. So more and no more fair trial in this country. We have always given fair trials. Is it an admission? We say I bind determine how cases should go.
Now, what would raise the issue?
No. Is it an admission? I told you I got TV so can you say former American attorney general friend no and all man assurance say on the client in the bar. Now, or no former attorney general no American or what 2 years will be released Ken Ofori Atta. Is it the court that will release Ken Ofori Atta or that lawyer now or active for Ken Ofori Atta and release it?
It is the court. It will be a question for what?
It will be bizarre, will say, or Bawumia fair trial in what capacity? Oh, you're a judge.
Wow.
Are you a judge?
Now, to assure
you, say, Obama a fair trial. Are you a judge?
You're not a judge.
Is it your work? Omu binimu komanu tu ebe bo aban we o.
Akoto FM 92.
Because the success is a binimu atwokia ma omu and omu binimu omu hu omu weakness no.
Oh, that's right.
Some of them are enjoying the toil, the suffering
of others.
Enunti no omu binimu omu hu omu no. Nto omu binimu nka omanu ntum. What am I say? Because now, ministries near 60. Yeah, I was there 60. One my 60, one my 54 or 56 ministries.
As it stands now, 58.
We are now 60.
Okay.
We got 56. Now, car 4. Now, Mama, they car 4 ministers.
Okay.
4 no my and the 2 of Kofi until 52. 54. What is it? Ministers are a boy Duma Kakrebi and a cover Ubiaso. Agric, finance, energy, roads, education, roads, local government, Momo.
Serious roads come home.
My board roads, Mr. Local government, or Nimunasa because constituency BR, not a district BR schools, cheap compounds or my common fan now Odiako on Timinka Nasem.
That's right. This afternoon me raising issue.
Also, Zoom line ourselves no can.
Me raising the issue, sir. Do you know some not artists of coordinating directors and finance officers ni engineers are sabotaging abine way. MMDCs and who can be as a local government minister and obey me order for their transfer and you are still there.
Oh, and you know, Alaska.
Charles.
Yeah, but we will not be quick to celebrate the arrest or detention of Ken Ofori Atta.
Okay.
The veterans America buying a be release Ken Ofori Atta Magana. So Omra na oni mine a meeting zanity.
Right.
And it's a Ken Ofori Atta kofa lawyer. And you wa Jenny. And I saw we catch a Ghana who say Ken Ofori Atta kofa lawyers, papa top lawyers. Former Attorney General of US and Akufo Addo as a lawyer. So what? Are you preparing our minds?
In case you say,
no, I can say, some catch them say,
okay,
Akufo lawyers are papa now.
You have a point there.
Now, if Ken Ofori Atta as an individual can go to America and recruit a topmost lawyer. So it is a Ghana as a country. We don't have money to hire competent, capable lawyers to meet one another.
But also,
my bet now studio word Akada. See, Ken Ofori Atta was fishing for lawyers.
That's right.
Oh, my Ghana. Because I don't know movies are going to make. Why we say one lawyer? You see, I told you now, you see, Dominic is now acting as a PRO to Ken Ofori Atta.
Acting as
PRO, Public Relations Officer to Ken Ofori Atta.
Ni posture.
Yeah. He is telling us that is not our duty. Tell us, extradition, some more track here, baby, Drew. For lawyers, so what for carpenters? What for much remain? So mundi na se man. It is not for you to tell us. Do the Ghanaian people will get to know? Say case no kokota. Yes, Anity.
Very well.
Report to nobody. Bewus or Ken Ofori Atta lawyers are worth. Now what lawyer near our kokota or can and defendant lawyers as a
not at all.
More follow in St. George where ye Owusu Biako court. Oni ya oni media bekasa no or can the other lawyers or more competence. Have you seen that before? And this is what our Attorney General is doing. Now I'm for a budget so. May have been to me budget so. Because for me, I still believe there is the weakest link in this administration.
Weakest
link. Onu ninti na manfa nyo mano ene nam Ghana hada so kaza.
Yeah.
It is because of the office of the Attorney General's ineptitude. And no nama sabi a man fankas I intentribu show moto.
And omenya
free raja petrol jaw eno munnamu ko.
In fact, kita gas crash.
Because they know say the AG will not do anything. So the worst he can do is to organize press conference. Na ne obe na adwen so say on penny nuan koso or per se ni nua afu aye wuramu yi. For example for net kra nenyum or say monsieur
enka ni opem say what's me me da say me twa me ho ba na me ba ensam no adabama so be kire se emra nkomo no koso nyina no na only US authorities edi nkomo na nkomo na eba nyina no one anya visa ho asem extradition process na omo di two no ye revoke ni visa etchen so mfi o manim it is a study kura the way omo to say a target say akwache no according to Victor Smith any authorities I want to say the eyes for no to say open and who day say the bet me dinesi ewo say omo kan say anka Victor Smith kura omo yeso omo tie say ne ho mfa no enti as a country no embassy no Would there be?
Good question.
And you know, or see, is it the consulate now?
Or no corner. Only one coil.
Will be Sassam. And Yakwaba.
Now, to have a boy, at least one found.
I will be just on no Effie Hakon.
One found quite new pattern.
That's right. So me and Yamfa to be a particular case, you know, me who sell 4th estate for the Batuho. Na Garrett Nimako, judge in air catcher judge and say, on Cornerbook, and I judge in this open tem. I'm a person Cornerbook. That's right. I'm not doing an answer to my collection and Sabi. Maybe I'm not 10 over 10 years. One bar on my back, those things at Togo. And yet to 2 near my near Mantem. Because many of your tard in a bush for the Akufo Addo what to a ferry in team. That's right.
One bush from ferry idea. And on man, I said to me, yes, Sabian Musabiano, yes, when you see Agune. Akufo Addo papa. Embe via Ghana. Eche buzi amamua or babedi no vice president.
I need Ken Ofori Atta ya
papa. Now you're vice president. Akufo Addo papa. And mna mufis 29 months or so mufis no. Buzi no issue. Akufo Addo papa would die more than even 100. Ewa kraha. Society general so one no. Ehonya na papa. Papa no proper tomato one stena. Ebi da so honum. And omni ewie. Ofori Atta we. Papa be wie ani papa be wie the same thing. Ghana is kasem. Jebi dankwa nye prison okowie wan ko wu prison papa mu okọ ne boni mu like for Atta de oba na kiasen ne ne ko no kokowie enche busuafo we nin kai na Ghana for so ya nyina nkon kai ene sa da konwa ne hye o monsa ene o masa be di adwiri mu biem ene o mon feri ade se me catch Alaska se me na me di president ene me cousin me di o mampani John Damani example so mampani John mama no pointing the cousin bi na asem we ba ya enke omo abusuafo de plane be ko fa nipa na bagana.
That's right.
Ama be face trauma abusuana ni mu abanyam ni nyina mato mo abusuana nwene hwe ya wia
mam na do to minya audacity krasan kasa
kasa enkoyie mewa wo abusuani wo fa se wo nua awia sika ni na de ko ebe de na mamu na koyie ye wia party na o sa free mu no enso so nia ni wuo emu Ghana for Sanka NDC and Kasa case we see ya. But I guess what press conference. I can be a man who baby Papa and fire.
That's right.
And for whom Alaska and phobia. Or more Jan or Monam, Tibon Koso, Fragberries, or Monam, and or Moto and Yam Piacoba. The party of my catcher. Then no 2020 recollection and I can 9. 9.
I can 9
pet near no more.
But I say. Kojo Yabua and I will turn and card this takes 20 minutes into 4 p.m. Charles Wamakati.
Alaska.
Charles.
On Ken Ofori Atta ni ISIS.
That's right.
US. I don't know more cousin, you're musing your train sick.
Owusu Sikayano.
Ne o treat you so.
Owusu ano.
Akufo Addo Ghana ha obeye finance minister. And some money I would do banks are you go ye. Obi ani musene fi Ken Ofori Atta. So one pe wasema Aremeyaw bank. No mfa mra nye dwuma. One classical example ye Heritage Bank. Heritage Bank na ye Seydou Agongo no mo bank.
Ato FM 92.3.
Heritage Bank na omo sika. They were not having liquidation challenges.
Yeah. Okay.
But Ken Ofori Atta say because Heritage Bank owner Seydou Agongo ejina trial in a oni opuni e Cocoa board case in Intino.
We're going to bank.
Yes.
That was the reason.
Yeah, but possible so many disassemble not. Yeah, and the just bank and account because it was never part of the bank, sir. Normal says you good.
And if a normal
Ghana. Papa could seem to no more bank. Ken Ofori Atta jina na nine so a group of Papa Sindu and Newman in our Ghana. Sad Nipawi. A could room maybe Tama MPP 89 MP say.
That's right.
Sorry, car say Mahamadu Danko Akufo Addo ensesa Ken Ofori Atta. Na Ghana economy
FM 92.3
and no. Ken Ofori Atta can I say catch papa.
So on Johnny
ma. Now he is not prepared to leave his children. Tama no be any Mr. Ken Ofori Atta yare. Uhena ni mwenyu bia na beka chose Ken Ofori Atta no ye slim. Ewa.
Very well.
Ebetu obi na Ken Ofori Atta ye say ayi. Me borrow Kojo West.
Who borrow Kojo West?
Me borrow. What I say?
The West near there.
Senior kind.
I saw I said Brudo Atonsu. Brudo Nusu there 5,000 DNB.
Yes. Just Kenneth Kuntun Kunuku for Atta say Shenya. Say o tu kwan akosane ho yare aba. Couldn't further also concern who you are 1 year by term or January last 2025.
That's right.
January 2026 in the woman. Ken Bra Ken Semema. Ken Ofori Atta Bra Ken Ofori Atta Semema. Hey, Nasani Yano. Ken Semema. And not Yankupa 1 pebony. People within the core hospital got the still or yet yare force. That's right. Or yare intini nyano. It's ye been much na aka say a boapayo.
Very well.
And I can afford it. Oh, yeah. Onye na dwensi obeba Ghana ne na obeba Ghana ocha. Ya kan ye no musio Davi. And I am Ken Ofori Atta asem. Anka obi odi Ghana flag boni fie anim. Odwane kwatna America.
Obi odo Ghana.
Ken Ofori Atta pena ni fie ni gate no. Ghana flag. Eno wa pinti. Obi awa ewo cantonment. La bonne ho. Que voit te fait na yedi Ghana flag up tiani.
Oh, okay.
One president in Ghana flag.
Debbie not at all.
Yeah. Or no our dog Ghana no. One ako America.
Yeah, na winim say Monday no na Gabby Chedaku stations no. Obi nkori odon wa chiri na. You see, but ask her. I have some passy a chicken for America. I have some power.
But between Inui, Attorney General, Dominica in Dano.
Okay.
And a special prosecutor, a year Kisia Jami Dano. Omo country, you perceive one mona.
Emma,
yes, Jumano. Because I say, the office of a special prosecutor in some courts is claiming say your initiative.
That's right.
Age say your no dear now or and between these two institutions, I ask her why they did extradition notice. I come US for. Now, Dominica Yeni Asema, a man who visit Nas Mempenasem, Nenasem and Mempe. Oscar
Charles
will be defending a client.
Akoto FM 92.3.
Obia defending the client. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.